Hey guys, this is Todd Starr here. Just waking up. Got a call from a family member that wanted to let me know that one of my favorite actors, James Gandolfini, has passed away. It says I haven't read all the article yet, but from what I understand, he died of a heart attack, and I'm not sure where he was, if he was in Rome, Italy, or where, but he has passed away. I think he was 59 years old. Sorry about that, but man, Mr. AKA, known as Tony Soprano, man, I watched that show and watched that show, and anytime that's on, if I'm flipping through the channels, even if it's on TV edited, I still watch it. And so, I'm just coming at y'all like this, man. Rest in peace, James Gandolfini. He brought a lot of happiness to our lives. There's a million of us Sopranos fans. He's definitely gonna miss you. Love the movies you did, but more than anything, I know the character got to you. We love Tony Soprano, and so it comes to an end for sure now. Fade to black, you know. We love you, guy. We're out. Peace.